Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites so the widget works. First, confirm your phone runs Android 9 or newer. Many widget features require recent builds. Once done, open Settings and enable digital well-being and parental controls if not active. That provides the data the widget shows. Make sure you have empty space on the home screen. Long pressing a blank area will open widgets. Now, press and hold to reveal widgets, because that's the direct path to add the screen time tile. You're now placing and configuring the widget. Long press an empty home screen area, select widgets, and scroll to digital well-being or screen time. Drag the screen time widget to your chosen home screen panel. Once placed, you can resize it by dragging edges. Larger sizes show more stats. Tap the widget to confirm it opens the expected digital well-being view. If prompted, grant any permission requests so usage data is visible. This creates a live, glanceable display of your daily device use. Finish by testing and securing the widget. Tap it to verify current usage data updates. Then, if your launcher supports it, lock the home screen layout to prevent accidental moves. If the widget shows no data, open Settings right arrow Privacy, right arrow Usage Access, and make sure Digital Wellbeing has permission to read app usage. Without it, the widget is blank. As a final tip, reboot your phone or reinstall the Digital Wellbeing app to force a refresh if the widget refuses to update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.